Peace, y'all. Hey, everybody. Thank you for joining me this evening on episode 7 of the Gourmet Goddess. So last week we had my king come in and show us a nice raw meal, and y'all asked for him back. So for this episode today, and I've also was asked to show healthy treats, like what type of healthy treats can we make also, because we're making these nice, delicate meals, but you also want to know how to make a healthy treat. So he really got into it and really figured out and really want to show y'all a nice raw healthy dessert, or that late midnight snack that's going to be nice on the hips but also sweet on the lips. I just made that up. So introducing to y'all my king Jermaine.
Peace, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. So today we're gonna make a sweet treat. Would you say it was nice on the hips?
Nice on the what is it? Nice on the hips, and sweet on the lips. Nice on the hips and sweet on the lips.
Right.
Nice on the hips and
nice on the hips. Anyway, so I'm going to show you a nice creamy dessert that you can make. It's basically an alternative to ice cream, but as we know, ice cream contains dairy, which really tears our body.
Okay, we shouldn't. First of all, it's from cows, right? So it's not really made for human consumption because we're not little cows. You know what I'm saying? So we're not cows, so we shouldn't be drinking in the first place. So the lactose intolerant type of titles you've been given, I mean, you definitely should not be having any type of dairy. It has so much hormones from it. It comes from a female cow. So think about a female cow versus a woman's breast milk. Like, that's where it's coming from. So, you know, the woman's human breast milk is for humans, and cows' breast milk is for cows. And they keep them pregnant all over and over and over again, consuming all these antibiotics and hormones that are, once they eat it, then we get the milk, we drink it, then it's in our body. So can you imagine what it's doing to our body? Of course, we get congestion. So you drink a lot of dairy, cheese, and all that, and then congestion behind that is because of the things that's put into these cows just so they can continue to produce milk over and over and over again. So think about, would you want to be in a cow position? No. Right. So so hormone levels is not good for us, especially us women, you know what I'm saying? And then congestion is great. It creates mucus, which creates congestion, when mucus is one form of disease.
Right. And big piggyback off of that, if you think about right now with COVID-19, Corona, it's a virus that attacks the respiratory system. So if you have something that's attacking the respiratory system, the main thing you really should be focusing on is how to strengthen your respiratory system, and especially not how to hurt it, not how to inhibit it. You know what I mean? You want it to be as strong as possible. So we know that milk tears it up, get allergies and all of that kind of stuff. So just saying, this is the solution to all of that. So you still get your sweet ice cream fix without having to sacrifice your health,
right?
Just because you like the way something tastes on your tongue for about 10 seconds. You know what I mean? So you get both. All right. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Basically, what we take is frozen bananas. You can take a banana. I suggest freezing it overnight, 24 hours. But you probably take about 7 hours in the freezer to throw it in. You can have a regular banana. Well, it actually is a GMO banana. That's a whole other story. Or you can have one of the original bananas called Burro. You can look that up and see the difference.
Where did you get the Burro bananas from?
I don't know.
Where did you get them from?
Right?
Them fine. Yeah.
I got it from the Asian market in my neighborhood.
Yeah. So yeah. You will find them in your international market. How you spell Burro?
B-U-R-R. So I'm just going to peel it. You really can peel it beforehand. To make it a little easier on yourself, you can freeze it ahead of time. I prefer taking the skin off in advance, the peel in advance, to make it easier for you. It's not going to take any time at all. So this right here is something called Yo Nana's, not my Nana. show nana.
With your nana. Your nana.
And what it does is it takes the bananas, which have a creamy consistency, just like the ice cream that we're used to having. And bananas create that out of all the fruits. Bananas have the best texture that is similar to ice cream. So, what we're going to do right now, we're going to take the frozen banana. Yo bananas. Get a couple of them. Yeah, you see that? The creamy texture. I'm going to take one of these regular bananas just because it's longer. Just because it's longer. And we'll get more banana coming out at one time. And the thing is with this, you can throw any type of fruit, frozen fruit that you like into it. So if you want to make a mixture of banana and mango, frozen mango, take any type of frozen fruit and you can add it to it.
Ooh.
And it's really that simple. You know. If you can see this consistency, I don't know if you can see that, but it's really the same consistency of ice cream.
Yep.
The typical ice cream, frozen yogurt
Yeah.
that you're used to eating.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have some toppings right here. We have cookies and cream, Oreos rather, Oreo topping.
Yep. Strawberries, fresh cut strawberries. So you don't have to sacrifice the whole sweet tooth, because you know how we want the dessert and all the bad stuff. So the base of it is plant-based. The base of it is the meat of it, basically. And then you can throw in some things. You know, the Oreos are supposed to be vegan if you're on that journey. I got some walnuts here to top it, and then some sliced strawberries. Oh, and I do have some fudge. Okay, some fudge. All right, because if we're gonna get it in, we're gonna at least top it off with some chocolate. Okay.
So this is a tropical fruit blend that we usually use for like smoothies and things like that. So if you just want to get a little bit more creative, take any type of frozen fruit that you want and toss it in there. That comes out like a sherbet.
Ooh.
You know what I mean? It has a little bit of orange. This is papaya, pineapple, mango, and coconut. So after you eat this, you'll actually be doing good things for your body, and you'll satisfy that sweet tooth.
Okay,
you know?
that sounds good.
It's really as simple as that. Really nothing else to it.
Really?
Nothing else to it.
So here goes my banana, the base, my ice cream. I'm gonna put some strawberries over top of it. And I'm gonna top it with some walnuts. With some walnuts. And then, no cookies. Just a little bit more walnuts. This could be a rendition of cookies and cream ice cream if you just put the Oreos and mix it in with the bananas. That's like a nice, healthier rendition of cookies and cream ice cream. It's a little bit of, AKA a lot of fudge over top of it. And then you have yourself a nice snack. Nice dessert. Mix it up. It looks just like ice cream. Y'all see the picture afterwards. Y'all see what it looks like. It really looks good. And let's see how it tastes though.
The thing is, your children can make it. You can make it. It doesn't take long at all. It takes you like a good 5 minutes. You know, you come home late at night. You want something sweet. And like I said, with the holidays coming up, a lot of people, you know, a lot of people have already gained a lot of quarantine weight. About 15 extra pounds, they say, on average.
This is good.
15 extra pounds on average that people have gained, right? Now, you know, with the holidays, people typically gain about how much? Another 10 pounds or something over Thanksgiving and Christmas. And now that everybody's quarantined, you know you're just going to be eating way more than normal anyway. So this is a way that you can be proactive on the front end.
That's good.
So come New Year's, you don't got to set a crazy resolution that you got to lose 50 pounds. This one has tropical fruit and the banana in it. Okay. I'm going to mix it up a little bit so you get a nice little mixture. Like you can throw it on a cone. Yeah. It's orange, cream color.
It's good, y'all. Like, it's really good. So like the fudge and the strawberry and the walnuts, that's what's up. That's where it's at. Like,
so you have really the whole Sunday.
Yeah. Okay.
And what you think?
It's alright. It ain't hitting like this one. I think it's the mango in there.
Oh, the mango and the chocolate and all of that. There's papaya in here too. But you can take whatever it is that you want to take. Mix it up. I want to see y'all try it. We're going to send you a link. Matter of fact, you go to naimaj.com, subscribe to it. We're going to send out a link with the Yo Nanas.
Oh, yeah. This thing's really good, y'all. I hope y'all try it. That's it. Well, thank y'all. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you, King, for your time and your wisdom and your knowledge. For bringing us this nice, sweet treat for us. Finishing up season 1, y'all. So I'm thanking y'all for joining me, for being here, for supporting. DM me, asking me questions and things of nature, DMing the books, like information, all that, watching the YouTube channel. So I just thank y'all so much for tuning in and staying connected to this vibe. I will see y'all again Wednesday at 8 p.m. I'm gonna do something for Thanksgiving. A nice little meal for Thanksgiving. And I'll see y'all next Wednesday at 8 p.m. Peace, y'all.